your teeth into that like button. I am the Dominant Wolf, and welcome back to Random Heroes. We left off, well, I recorded this, but I lost the file, and I already beaten it to the sewers, but I'm going to replay it and show y'all where we were. I think we were at level 5. Yes, and I have the Indian costume, and I realized that you can, when you buy the costumes, you get more health as well. And what we are going to be trying to save up for is probably the evil scientist or miner, and that's just only a few hundred away. Alright, we're going. Now I figured this map out, and what we only have to do is just shoot here. Why does the trapdoor achievement keep freaking coming up? Stop it. There we go. Jump up. Alright, we got this now, guys. I've had a great few days of recording, and I'm going to be doing Random Heroes a few more, because Tuesday we will have a new Let's Play, and I am honestly happy for that Let's Play, because it's honestly a game that I really wanted to do for a long set of time, and I'm not going to spoil it, because I don't know if my friend can get me the game or not. I don't know if he can, but he said he would try, and I really want to get Random Hero finished, stuff, so yeah. Alright, so I'm going to have a lot of, and I have a lot of Let's Plays coming in this series, since we reached 300 subs. Alright, we got this, yeah. And I think that was at the door. Okay. Gonna go, just go straight. Alright. So, and as I was saying, I have a lot of Let's Plays coming along in the series. I'm going to try to make this video longer, because, I really want to finish near the end of Random Heroes and get ready for the new Let's Play. And I'm just excited, because after probably the next Let's Play, I'll probably do the sequel Random Heroes. But, yeah. Go. Ah! No. Oh! Alright. Here we go. There's not even down here, is there? If I remember, there was nothing down here. Oh no, there is. Yeah. I'm not even gonna take them, because I don't like the head. And I think the door's right here. No. But I wanted to get rid of it before we left this. I think we only have 2 worlds after this world. I begun the second world in the recording that I lost by accident. I'm gonna start saving them to my computers, because I really don't want to record no more of Random Heroes. I'm joking. Oh crap, the snipers. After a while, there will be snipers. And if you can hear me, I'm probably sick, the way my voice sounds. And we're gonna jump over the dude. Oh, them skills. I got the skills to pay the bills, because that's what I do. Oh, mother fraggle. Oh, the pogos. And you'll get the pogos as well. This is the one I had to speed run. Oh. This is the one I had to speed run. Because this is one of the most hardest levels there is in this game. Go. There it is. Alright, I think this is the last level before the boss. And up, 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 up. Okay. Get on. Get on. Get on. Alright, there it is. Alright, there's... Oh, there's a Pogo Man coming. Oh, I'm just going to take... Crap, I still... Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. One more. Oh, 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 oh. You know what? Alright. There it is. Now I think boss time? Yes. Now here's how you beat this boss. All you have to do is just go way back here. And he won't even touch you. And all you can do is just hold the A button and just shoot. And just see all that energy, see all that energy, see all that energy. Watch the energy go down, watch that energy, oh watch that energy, oh watch that energy, watch it go straight down. Here we go, time to start the show. I've been in a good mood, as lately as y'all can tell. But, yeah, I've been in a good mood lately because my channel's done better, and I thank you all. Oh, I stopped. I was wondering why. And... Alright. I kind of like how they made the boss this way, because it was... The most annoying thing in this world was the shooter thingy. And the next shot will take it out. The next two shots. Call it, call it, call it. 1, 2, yeah. And look at all that money. Money, money, money. Now let's get into some of World 2. Or World 3. Hadouken. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. There it is. Okay. So, the question is, do I want to get the miner? Oh, I could get the Terminator. Or the Robocop. But, I'm gonna look at the guns. Oh, God. Rocket launch. I think the best thing to do is get the Robocop. And just look at all the health. And the damage, don't the damage grow? Yeah. So as we continue on, there's probably, the next two will be, I'm probably going to just play through World 3-2, because that's where the recording ended first time. So, yeah. But this is World 3-1, so... Oh, the Robo... 2, 3, 4, 5... Oh, they're shooting... oh, God, the bomb. The bomb dude. Oh, God, that's the driller runner. That's the person with the drill. We got this. Jump. Jumpity, 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 jump. Boom. Give me all that money. Alright. There it is. The room. Next up. Just shoot anything that gets in our way while we're running. Shooting. Oh, now you come after... Oh, I was shooting him. Alright, douche, there. Oh. Alright, just get ready for the bots. Alright, there it is. We killed the bots. Alright. Go, go. Go, 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 go. Alright. Yeah, I will probably, after I beat this level. Alright, douche, douche, douche. Stop him. I'm not even trying to... There it is. Alright, okay, go up here, go up here. The agility may suck, but we got all that power. Come on, come on, come on, come on, boom. Where are they? Oh, Minotaur. Another Minotaur. Oh, we're at 2 HP, and we gotta deal with 2 Robo thingies, if I am correct. Oh. Where are they? There they are. There they are. Alright, there it is. Alright. I make it rain. I make it rain. Jump. Jump, 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 jump. Shoot. You pogo jerk. Oh, crap. But I killed you. I killed you, people. Alright, just go. Not even. There we go. I guess I'll do this world level, then I'll end off the video. Jump. 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 Boom. Gotcha. Alright, boom, 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 boom. There it is. Ah. No, I honestly did not see that coming. There it is. Get all that money. Alright. Boom. Ah. Can't I have one peaceful day, please? Alright. Jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump. I think the agility is honestly pretty good for a Robocop suit. Oh crap. Oh. Alright, one more. One more, then we are literally ending off. Alright. Alright, we got this. Gimme. We got this in 1 minute. I'll beat it. Just give me 1 minute. Alright. Alright, yeah, there it is. Okay. Alright, alright. Oh, Jesus. 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 Oh, oh, oh. I went the wrong way. Come on, go, 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 go. Ooh. Okay. Oh, God. I'm gonna take... Oh, oh, oh. Dim skills. Alright, I'm going to the menu. Pausing, we got to level 5. We done a lot. Sink your teeth into that like button because it does help me out a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to join the Wolf Pack. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.